Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync your Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar on MacBook. So first, you want to go ahead and open the calendar on your Mac. And then over here at the very top, at the top left corner, just click on the calendar and then click on Accounts. And then just click on the Add Account. Then just choose Google. Then click on Open Browser. And then you just want to go ahead and sign in the same Google account that you're using for your Google Calendar. And after you've logged in your Google account, it will ask you to select the apps that Google can access. So you can unselect the other apps if you want. So just exit this tab after you're done with that. And you will just have to wait for it for a few moments or a few seconds. It might take some time to sync the Google Calendar to your Apple Calendar, but after some seconds or some moments, you will finally see your Google Calendar events are now synced in here in your Apple Calendar. So that's it. Thanks for watching.